Okay, I've been asked to work problem 1.3.31, which is number 5 from your homework in 1.3. Problem says, first of all, remember my numbers may be different from yours. A certain triangle has a perimeter means the distance all the way around, of 3,080 miles. The shortest side measures 71 miles less than the middle side, and the longest side measures 379 miles more than the middle side. Find the lengths of the three sides. Okay, so it sounds like a geometry problem. I'm going to draw a triangle. Okay, now the way I've drawn it, this is the short side, this is the middle side, and this is the long side. Okay, one of these needs to be x. And one way to do that when you have things like this, let's just look, I'm going to use S for short, M for middle, and so on, okay? The shortest side measures, so the shortest side is 71 less than the middle side. So I would take the middle side and I'm going to subtract 71, okay? And the longest side measures, so the long side is 379 more than the middle side. Notice how the short side is defined in terms of the middle, and the long side is defined in terms of the middle as well. That means even though technically you could put your x anywhere, it's going to be easiest if you let your M side be x miles. Okay, and then we already have our information right here. If M is, we're using x for M, we just, on the small side, we put x minus 71. On the long side, we put 379 plus x, and I pulled that from right over here. Now the distance all the way around is 3,080, so we add up all of these. So I have x minus 71, I'll put them in parentheses so you can see where they're coming from, plus x plus 379 plus x. So that would be the perimeter. I added up all the sides. This equals 3080. Okay. Now I used the parentheses just to make it clear that I was adding up the three sides. It's all addition, so they don't even really matter. So I'm going to pretend they're not there. I'm going to combine like terms. X plus x plus x will be 3x. Okay, and then I have negative 71 plus 379, which will be 308. Okay, now we want our variable alone, so I'm going to subtract 308 from both sides. To get 2772. Now divide both sides by a 3 to get 924. Okay, so we found x. We were asked to find the lengths of the three sides, and all we found right now is that this side is 924. So what we need to do is we need to take that value and plug it into the other sides. So 924 minus 71 is 853. And the long side would be 379 plus 924, which gives me 1303. I hope that helped.